On your thighs. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Start your strokes. Nice and forceful active exhalation. Continue the pace of Kapalbhati according to your comfort, mild, moderate, or intense. You can increase the pace, start slowly when your body start getting comfortable, you can increase the pace. If 101 round is too much for you, you can break it down in 2 rounds, 50-50 each. Try to keep your spine straight, shoulders relaxed, face calm. Last 30, more intense, more focused. Complete exhale. Inhale. Hold your breath in, chin to chest lock, Jalandhar Bandh. Hold for 20. Release your lock, gentle exhale and relax. Now ready for Bhastrika? As it's day 2 of our hip opening session, guys, we'll be working on the strengthening. So Bhastrika also will be doing in a standing position with a strengthening transition. So everybody get up on your mat. Feet almost 3 to 4 feet apart. Toes little outside, don't keep them far. Front side. Now locking your palms. With every inhale, stretch your arms up, a gentle arch. With every exhale, bend your knees. And this is the position. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Okay. This practice is known as Kashta Takshakasana. I have already introduced this. And chopping the wood. Okay. So you have to just imagine there is an axe in your hand and there is a big log of wood in front of us all, and we have to chop that big log into small pieces in our 20 strokes. Okay जी, तो उतनी ही strength लगाएंगे जब आप सांसें छोड़ेंगे और लेंगे. चलिए, let's start. It's a nostril inhale, nostril exhale. We are not opening our mouth neither for inhalation nor for exhalation. So continue. Try to keep your spine straight. खुशबू जी पैर और खुलेंगे. पैर खोलो थोड़े से और. मनीषा जी पैर खोलिए थोड़े से. अनुषा ओपन योर लेग्स वाइडर. पैर खोलिए थोड़े से और. Three, two, and one. Now final stroke and hold with the goddess squat position. So stroke down, pushing your hip back, stretch your arms front and bring your spine parallel to floor. Just imagine somebody is pulling you behind and somebody is pulling you front. So you have to maintain that stretch from your fingertips to your hip. Okay? Chalo, hold it. Spine should come parallel to floor. Soini, jaiye hip thoda aur niche. And do it from the side so that I can check your alignment. Mamta ji, upper body बहुत ऊपर है. Vidisha, hip down. Sultana, hip down. Namita ji, you do with your comfort. Good, Pranita ji. Babita ji, front body down. बहुत बढ़िया, Mr. Ram. Good, Manisha Jain. Heels down. Payal ji, why you are lifting your heels? Heels जमीन पे. 7. पैरों के पंजे पूरे जमीन पे. नियति जी जाइए. Good, Vivek ji.
10,
Diti, hip more back, hip more back. Last five, last five. Good, Rupashri. Good,
12,
Nandini. Anusha, hip down.
13,
Good, Salma ji.
14, 15,
Slowly release and relax. Relaxation from there only. Come and sit down. Take your palm support, taking your feet little in and sitting in Malasana. Okay, Ji. So, our initial stretches we'll be doing in Malasana. All those who are not comfortable, take a block, one or two, and rest your hips on the blocks. ठीक है, बैठना है ऐसे ये सभी को. So, all those who are comfortable in Malasana, sit on your own strength. Those who want support, you can sit on blocks. ठीक है, एक ब्लॉक पे बैठो, दो ब्लॉक पे बैठो, but we are sitting in Malasana. दीदी पैर ओपन करिए. Malasana is not this position. Open your legs wider. Okay, chalo. So with block, without block. Now locking your palms. Keep pressing your knees with your elbows. ठीक है? So consciously हमने अपने घुटनों को elbow से पीछे धक्का देना है. When your knees are going back, your pelvic should come front and your spine should be always straight. So in Malasana, we don't sit like this. We are not bending forward. It is always shoulders back, chest out, pelvic front, knees back. ओके चलो ब्लॉक पे बैठिए कोई दिक्कत नहीं क्योंकि हमें थोड़ा लंबा समय तक बैठना पड़ेगा फाइन सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद नेक स्ट्रेचेस राइट एंड लेफ्ट with every inhale center exhale to the right to the left
1, 2,
थोड़ी देर बिना सपोर्ट के बैठो when you start getting tired you can take support of block
4, 5, 6,
Malasana is not an asana. It's a natural alignment of our body. So don't take it as an asana. This is a compulsion for our body to sit in this position every day. You can remember the Indian toilets earlier days. Okay?
10,
And hold. While holding one side, look up and hold. ऊपर देखते हुए hold करें.
1,
If you are not comfortable joining your palms, आप नीचे भी रख सकते हो ब्लॉक को इस तरीके से पकड़ के रह सकते हो. If this makes better balance to sit in Malasana, आप इस तरीके से हाथ को रख सकते हैं.
4, 5,
Inhale, center. Exhale to the side. Stretch up and hold.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Slowly release and relax. अभी मलासन में करेंगे side stretch with twisting. So stretching your the elbow will always remain in front of the knee. इस knee को तो हमने हमेशा push ही करना है आज, ठीक है? आज के सेशन में इसको बार बार धक्का दिया जाएगा. So push it back and stretch your hand front. Okay? So your tricep should always be remain in front of the knee. Knee के पीछे नहीं लेके जाएंगे. So it has to be here always. So push it back and stretch. Now start with the side stretches and twisting. 1,
2,
inhale up,
3,
look up every time.
4, 5, 6,
And hold. Stretch up. Don't bend forward. Keep pressing your knee back side and hold. Look up.
1,
Both heels on the floor.
3, 4, 5, 6,
Inhale back to center. Now stretching your another arm. Pressing your knee with your another tricep. Same side stretching another side.
1, 2, 3,
Continue. Inhale up, exhale down.
4, 5, 6,
And hold. Holding upside.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Slowly release and relax. Back to center. Malasana again. अभी थोड़ा सा relaxation with some swing. So swing your complete body. हल्का हल्का twisting While twisting, your feet should come up. ठीक है, पैरों के पंजे उठेंगे and then will be twisting maximum. चलिए start twisting.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Slowly release and relax. Now we will be practicing the next practice, Utthit Malasana. Okay, this is for your thighs especially and for your knee joint. So as we have done the goddess squat, same way the thigh and belly lock we have to maintain again. Now with every inhale, release your hip and stretch your arms front. Belly and thigh should be long. Again, drop it down. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Hip कितना उठ रहा है? When your thigh is coming parallel to floor, we are not releasing our hip too much. Okay, so the hip is not facing the ceiling, it is facing the back wall. जो आपके पीछे वाली दीवार है उसको hip देखना है, हमने छत की तरफ नहीं टर्न करना है. Clear? चलो, take your position. Malasana squats or Utthit Malasana, everyone. Again, do it from the side. चलिए, let's start lifting. Inhale up, exhale down.
1, 2,
हाँ, विजयलक्ष्मी जी साइड से करिए, साइड से करिए.
3, 4, 5,
सीमा जी belly and thigh lock maintain रखो.
6,
Good Suzy.
7,
Good Vidisha. नंदिनी जी,
8,
hands you have to stretch front. हाथों को आगे खींचना है.
9, 10,
And hold, lift and hold. चलिए everyone. Thigh and belly together. Look front. Stretch your arms. Push your hip back.
1,
निकिता hip down, hip down.
3,
वनीता चलिए.
5,
अनीशा जी बहुत हिप उठा लिए हैं. नीचे लाओ और
7,
नीचे.
8, 9, 10.
Slowly release and relax. Now very gently dropping your hip down from Malasana. Drop your hip down, coming into butterfly. Press your knees down and lock them up.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Chalo ji. Now it's time to work on your side stretching, twisting and the core. Okay? So open your legs wider. अभी सब ने पैर खोल लेने. Not too much. बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं. अपने अपने comfort से खोलो. Keeping your spine straight. If you can touch your toes, that is enough. ठीक है? इससे ज़्यादा नहीं खोलने. आपने बैठे बैठे अपने पैर के अंगूठे टच हो रहे हैं तो that is a good enough gap. Okay? चलो, let's start with the twisting. Stretching your both arms in shoulder line. Right palm touching your left ankle, left hand back side. Okay, so इस हाथ को पीछे wrap करना है around your back. Clear? Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. चलिए continue.
1, 2,
Touch your ankle, touch your toes. कोशिश करें सभी का ankle ही touch करने की, heel touch करने का.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Another hand back side of wrapping
10.
around your back.
11,
Last 10, last 10.
12,
Faster.
13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18,
Those who are good, try to touch your chin to your knees
19, 20,
and release. Okay. Now holding, twisting your body to the left. Now walking with your fingertips or stretch your arms, bend forward and hold. Okay. Chalo, holding to the side forward stretch. In hip opening, your hamstrings also plays a very, very important role. So hold to your left, everyone. You can use a strap also. जिनका हाथ नहीं टच आ रहा है वो स्ट्रैप के साथ जाएंगे. Those who are very good, try to touch your elbows on the ground. Look at your big toes always.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
पैरों के पंजे अंदर खींचे हुए. Everybody keep your toes inside a stretch.
9, 10,
Inhale, gently come up. Exhale, twist to another side. Walk down or stretch down, holding your big toe. Drop your elbows down and hold.
1, 2,
गौतमी जी बढ़ो थोड़ा.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Inhale, very gently come up and relax. Okay. Now there will be transition, a quick for your hamstring and for your hips both. Okay. थोड़ा पैर एक बार हटाओ. It is nothing. बहुत आराम से स्लाइडिंग भी कर सकते हैं, हॉपिंग भी कर सकते हैं. Those who are comfortable with their core. So one leg in, another in this position, and the same practice with hopping. 1, 2, 3, and 10. Okay, chalo, take your position. One leg in, Sukhasana, folded. Another one is straight. Chalo, keep starting, keep switching your leg from right to left.
1,
पैर को खोलो, खुले पैर को जितना पीछे ले सकते हैं पीछे लेने की कोशिश.
3,
चलिए, गुड निधि जी.
4, 5,
चलिए चलिए नीता जी, स्टार्ट.
7,
प्रीति,
एक.
पैर अंदर जाने दो, खुला पैर.
9,
जननी, stretch straight leg more in.
10,
10 more.
12,
You can take hand support. जिनको हाथों का सपोर्ट चाहिए पीछे हाथों का सपोर्ट ले सकते हैं.
15, 16, 17,
Try to move with your core strength. Good, Bhavani ji.
18, 19,
Good, Vijayalakshmi ji.
20,
And hold. Chaliye ji. Any side, whichever is comfortable for you, because we have to done both the sides. So the one leg fold, another is stretch. And this position is Parivritta Janushirasana. We have done Janushirasana yesterday when the leg is front side. And when you stretch it sideways, it becomes Parivritta. Okay? Now stretching your arm, locking your opposite thigh. ठीक है. सो अगर आपका राइट है तो लेफ्ट हैंड से पकड़ो, लेफ्ट है तो राइट से. एंड स्टार्ट विद दी साइड स्ट्रेचेस. चलो लेट्स स्टार्ट.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Inhale up, exhale down.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
And hold. Chale, it's holding time, everyone. Try to reach as down as possible. If you want to reach to your foot, but still there is a good distance, you can use a strap. ठीक है. इस पैर पर इस तरीके से strap लगाएं. And then try to walk down on your leg. Strap it, hold it, rotate your hand and keep walking down on your strap. जितना नीचे जा सकते हैं जाने की कोशिश. Look up and then hold. Okay, chalo, hold it. 1, 2, 3, head up, try to look at the ceiling. Good, Panita. 4, good, Chaitanya ji. 5, head out, Diti. Face को निकालो बाहर. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Inhale, very gently come up and relax. Now there will be next transition with forward and backward bend. So with every inhale, stretch your arms out. Exhale, bend forward. Ardha Bhunaman Asana. This is the complementary asana for today's session. Okay, we are going to make it complete at the end. Inhale, come up. Now the same leg which is folded. So mine is left. So placing the same hand back, again coming into our Ardha Chamatkarasana. Exhale, front. Inhale, lift. Exhale, front. inhale, lift. Chalo, let's start.
1, 2,
The leg which is folded, we are keeping the same hand behind.
3, 4,
One count for every movement.
5,
Inhale up, exhale down.
6,
विवेक जी पैर और साइड में खुलेगा.
7,
It is almost front.
8,
अनुषा, we are placing our hands down. हवा में क्यों है आपके हाथ जब नीचे जा रहे हो? नीचे रखो पूरे जमीन पे.
10,
चलिए forward stretch and hold everyone. Hold it there. Try to touch your shoulders, forearms, chest.
1,
No, Visha, never. Whenever you are bending forward, कल के सेशन में यही बोला था, हिप्स आपके दोनों जमीन पे टच रहेंगे.
3,
तो उतना ही जाएं initially till you keep your hips grounded on the floor. We are not lifting our hips up.
5,
Arms in shoulder line, shoulder line.
7,
विवेक जी हाथ शोल्डर लाइन में है, फिर जाइए नीचे. अगर ये अभी रेंज है यही रहो. आर्च बनाओ, सामने देखो एंड देन होल्ड.
9, 10,
Inhale, come up, lift and hold. Placing your hand back, rotate your arm, lift, keep pushing your pelvic front. 1, 2, चलिए निमिषा. 3, वर्षा जी pelvic push करो, बहुत नीचे अभी body. 4, 5. We have done camel in detail. So these are our camel lifting. So keep pushing your pelvic as front as possible. 7, 8, Suzy maintain. 9, good pal ji. And 10. Slowly release and relax. Okay ji? Chaliye. So this was our position, forward, backward. Now switch your leg. Okay? Now first we'll be doing the side stretches. So locking your opposite knee, start with the side stretching. Chaliye, continue.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
विवेक जी हाथ कभी भी चेहरे के सामने से नहीं. इन साइड स्ट्रेचेस इट इज ऑलवेज बिसाइड और बिहाइंड योर ईयर. या तो कान से लगा के खींचिए या कान के पीछे से खींचिए.
9,
नेवर हाइड योर फेस.
10,
And hold. For holding, again you can use a strap. All those who are not able to touch the toe, strap का इस्तेमाल करें. Keep your thigh lock. Keep your thigh lock. हाँ नीता जी अभी धीरे धीरे बेल्ट पे बढ़ते रहो नीचे. चलो दीदी यू आर ऑलमोस्ट वेरी क्लोज. हल्का सा देखो पैर को पकड़ो देन ट्विस्ट.
1, 2,
रूपाश्री पैर और खुल सकता है.
4, 5,
चैतन्य जी बढ़ाइए साइड स्ट्रेच. बढ़ो बेल्ट पे थोड़ा थोड़ा.
7, 8, 9, 10,
Inhale, gently come up. Now forward and lifting. Chaliye, make it quick. 10 counts. 1 count for each.
1, 2,
Hands behind your folded leg. निधि जी गलत साइड हाथ रख रहे हो. जो लेग फोल्ड है उधर हाथ रखेंगे.
4, 5,
Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up.
7,
Push your pelvic every time higher.
8,
वर्षा जी सिर्फ हिप उठाना नहीं है जमीन से. पुश करो उसको आगे.
9, 10,
And hold. Forward stretch everyone. Chali, go down, go down. Payal, why are you coming towards the knee? It has to be front side. हमने knee की तरफ body थोड़ी लेके जाना है. It is front. The shin bone of your folded leg. Take your body that side.
1, 2, 3,
चलिए जी जयजी जी हाथ नीचे रखिए. जमीन पे रखने हैं. फिंगर टिप्स पे रखो. ब्लॉक्स पे रखो.
6, 7,
पंडिता जी both hands on the floor.
8,
Good नेहा.
9, 10,
Inhale, come up, placing your hands back. Rotate your another arm. Lift your Ardha Chamatkarasana. Push your pelvic. 1, 2, 3. अनुषा उठाइए. 4, 5. The folded leg, the thigh and calf are still together. Make them apart. 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly release and relax. Now for the final core workout, open both your legs and ready for Chakki Chalasana. Okay? So locking your both palms, forward stretch, right stretch, back stretch, left stretch. Now what is the condition? In all the 4 direction, your body should stretch nicely, keeping your elbows straight. पीछे आते आते एल्बो हमें बेंड नहीं करने, आपको आगे पीछे राइट लेफ्ट एवरी साइड योर एल्बो शुड रिमेन स्ट्रेट. ओके, चलिए टेक योर पोजीशन. लेट्स स्टार्ट. While going front, if you can touch your palm on the floor, palm को slide करवाते लेके जाओगे, it will be very good for your hamstring opening. So जितना नीचे जा सकते जाइए, साइड में अपनी palm को, let your palm cross your feet. So take a deep forward side and the backward stretch.
6,
Stretch your body back side just like we stretch in boat pose.
7,
दीदी ये पैर ऐसे उठेंगे नहीं बार बार. Keep your toes inside a stretch.
9, 10,
चलो side change, rotation change. चलिए चलिए समिता जी.
1, 2,
Don't bend your elbows while going back. Samita Dubey.
3,
Keep your hands, Mr. Ram. Open your legs little wide.
4,
Wider, wider.
5,
स्वर्णलता जी पीछे बिल्कुल नहीं जा रहे हो.
6, 7,
जो पीछे नहीं जा रहा है अभी चैलेंज तो बाकी है, इसलिए जाइए पीछे.
9, 10,
चलो जी. So everybody is here. While coming back, stretch your body, lift your legs up and holding the wide-legged boat. अभी जो जो पीछे नहीं गए हैं उनको मुश्किल आएगी. चलो stretch your legs up. Hold it, hold it. Boat you do every day. Same boat we are doing with wide legs. This we do every day. अभी पैरों को खोल लिया है and उन्हें थोड़ा ज़्यादा stretch किया. Okay? चलो, take your position. You are doing with your core, guys, okay?
1, 2,
Hold it, hold it.
3,
Toes pointed out.
4,
नियति जी, no hand support.
5,
कम पैर खोलो, but खोल के रखो.
6,
दीदी, hold it.
7,
जननी, both legs, both legs.
8, 9, 10,
Last 10, last 10. Maintain, maintain.
10,
It's all about strength
Nine.
today. Strength ऐसे नहीं आ जाएगी हवा हवा में.
7, 6,
Knees straight, knees
Five.
straight.
4,
गौतमी जी.
3, 2, 1.
Slowly release and relax. Forward counter stretch.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Inhale, gently come up and relax. All good? It is just a warm up. अभी तो बॉडी को स्टार्टर मिला है, मेन कोर्स इज स्टिल रिमेनिंग. ओके, तो अभी तो सिर्फ सांसें मिली है, जॉइंट्स को ब्लड मिला है कि अभी जो मेन प्रैक्टिस है उसमें और जॉइंट्स विल सपोर्ट यू इन अ बेटर वे. ओके, so whenever we work with the hip opening, moon salutation is one of the best sequences with which we can work on our hips and hamstrings so deeply. Okay, so we'll be taking 2 rounds of Chandra Namaskar today. पहला राउंड जो भूल गए हैं, बहुत दिन हो गए करे हुए, ऐसे रोज रोज जो चीजें नहीं होती वो तो हम भूल जाते हैं. So पहला राउंड आपकी याददाश्त को वापस मजबूत बनाने के लिए. दूसरे राउंड में विल बी एडिंग so many intense variation. चलो, come in everyone and stand at the right side of your mat. Okay, everybody is standing right side. चलिए, let's start. Inhale, 1, stretching your arms up, palms together, look up. Urdhva Hastotthanasan. Extend your spine upward. Spine को ऊपर खींचें. Nandini ji, why the legs are too away? Keep your feet together, everyone. Now exhale, left stretch, 2, longer side, Mamta ji. Inhale, center. Exhale, 3, right side stretch, shorter side of your mat. Balance, Rupashri. Inhale, center, open your palms, lift your left leg, open your thigh sideways, taking your goddess pose. 4, Devi Asan or Utkat Konasana. Keep your spine straight, same. Shoulder back, chest out, push your pelvic front and make your spine straight. Nandini ji, look at the body. The Devi is bending. Devi ji ko thoda sa strong banao, straight rakho spine. Now inhale, knees straight, stretch your arm, turn your right toe, lengthen your spine to the right side. Trikonasana on your right, Chaitanya ji, shorter side of the mat. Punita right, Namita right, Revati right, Diya right, Diti right. Diti, which is your right? चलिए, inhale, head up, Babita ji, घुटना bend है. Turning your pelvic to the right, palms down, exhale, bend forward, Parshvottanasana और pyramid. अभी सब कुछ right leg पर हो रहा है guys, so don't switch till I don't ask you to switch. वर्षा जी, घुटने सीधे रखिए. Now inhale, bend your front knee, stretch your back leg, arch back, Ardha Chandra Namaskar, or we call it Anjaneyasana. 7. Now exhale, palms down. Again, open your pelvic front side. जैसे खड़े थे वैसे ही बैठ जाना है. Skandasana. Right leg is bent, left is straight. 8. Now here we have done 8 asana. Balance, Varsha ji. आराम से करो. अभी 8 we have done on the right side. Now the remaining 8 will be doing on the left. Now palms down. It's time to switch your side from right to left. अभी सभी ने आ जाना है left side. Now the left leg is fold, right is straight. Skandasana on your left. आराम से आओ अनिशा जी, इतनी जल्दी नहीं है. मनीषा जैन, स्विच हो गए हम लोग राइट से लेफ्ट. राइट से लेफ्ट पहुंच जाइए. स्कंदासन ऑन योर लेफ्ट. बैलेंस प्रवीण जी, हिप अप. चलिए, नाउ टर्निंग योर pelvic टू लेफ्ट. इनहेल, आर्च बैक, अर्धचंद्र नमस्कार. 10, pelvic push निधि जी. मनीषा जी, आगे वाले पैर का एंगल बिल्कुल गलत है. घुटना देखो कितना क्रॉस कर रहा है टोस को. पैर का पंजा आगे लो और pelvic को पुश करो. Now exhale, palms down. 11, both knees straight, Parshvottanasana. नीता जी, पीछे वाला पैर आगे लीजिए. Both heels will be on the ground. चैतन्य जी, use block use करिए यहाँ पे to place your palms. Arupa Shri, we are in Parshvottanasana. Both knees straight. Now inhale, stretching your right arm up. Trikonasana on your left leg. Left hand down, right stretch up, look up. नीता जी, राइट हैंड को खींचो ऊपर. त्रिकोण, knees straight. नंदिनी, knees straight. Now exhale, inhale, come up. Bend your knees, turn your right toe. Goddess again. 13. Now inhale, stretch your knee, taking your left leg back to the right side. 14, right stretch, shorter side. 15, left stretch, longer side. 16, center stretch. Exhale, Samasthiti. Okay जी? So this is the sequence. अगर right side पे पहुंच गए हो तो कुछ भी आपने गड़बड़ नहीं किया है. अगर लेफ्ट पे अटक गए हो तो फिर गलती हुई है कहीं ना कहीं रूपाश्री से, वर्षा से. ठीक है? As they are standing on the left side of their mat. So when you start your Chandra Namaskar from the right side, you have to finish it again at the right side. Okay? चलो, let's take the second round where we are going to have variations. कुछ variation थोड़े intense रहेंगे, but there will be variations of variations, so you go with the basic one. चलिए, let's start. The first asana will be holding with Tadasana. So everybody stretch your arms up and lift your heels up and hold. सभी ने heels उठाने हैं. एंड हील्स आपके एक दूसरे से भागे नहीं, कीप देम लॉक, अपने हील्स बिल्कुल चिपका के रखिए. टोज टू हील योर फीट शुड बी इन वन लाइन. 1 2 3 4 5. Stretch your heels more up. Try to lock your ankles completely. पूरी ankle को lock करने की कोशिश करें. 6 7 and 8. Inhale. Now as we are working on the hip opening, सभी ने अपना left leg right side के पीछे ले लेना है. Left leg behind your right. Now take your side stretch and hold.
1 2
रेवती लेफ्ट लेग को राइट के पीछे लो. क्रॉस है हमारा पैर एंड घुटने सीधे.
4
Knees straight.
5
Inhale back to center. Now switch your leg right behind your left. चलिए arch, side stretch and hold. पीछे वाले पैर की हील ऊपर रख सकते हैं आप लोग for a deeper stretch.
1 2
The leg which you have taken back side, you can keep the heel lifted.
3 4 5
चलिए good सुल्ताना.
6
Back to center. Now inhale, open your left leg, take your goddess pose. और in goddess we'll be doing some variations. Okay? So सबसे पहले goddess में आने के बाद resting your elbows here. ठीक है जी? अभी goddess में थोड़ा थोड़ा movement. So we are just swinging our hip, doing nothing. न पैर उठ रहे हैं, न heels उठ रही हैं, सिर्फ goddess की range of motion को थोड़ा increase कर रहे हैं. ठीक है? So total 10. This is our first variation. After that, same goddess squat which we have done. Hip को पीछे push करो, हाथों को आगे खींचो. Clear? And after that, placing your palms down, both knees straight. Now turning your toes little front, catch your ankle and taking your Prasarit Padottanasana. This is our third variation. Inhale, gently come up, turning your right toe to the right. Come up, lengthen your spine, holding your trikon by the extension of your upper arm. Open your chest, look up and hold. ठीक है जी? चलिए आ जाए सभी. पहले गॉडेस में विल बी डूइंग फ्यू स्विंगिंग. राइट लेफ्ट. थाई का रेंज बढ़ाएं थोड़ा सा. चलो कमिंग इनटू गॉडेस. नाउ रेस्टिंग योर बोथ एल्बोज ऑन योर थाइज. थोड़ा स्पाइन स्ट्रेट रखो. चलो स्टार्ट स्विंगिंग. हल्का हल्का बॉडी को मूवमेंट दीजिए. गुड विदिशा.
2
दिगंता जी, legs will be more open.
3
Bhavani ji, it's not twisting, it's swinging, right and left. Yes.
5 6
Chale, good Pranita ji.
7
Good Sarla ji.
8
Good Vibha ji.
9 10
Now push your hip back, open your arms front side, take your squat again. बहुत बढ़िया निर्मला जी.
1
Hip down. Salma ji, hip down.
3 4
रेवती hip up. मलासन में नहीं बैठना है.
6
Good खुशबू जी.
7 8
Good निधि जी.
9 10
Now knees straight, palms down, lock your ankles, elbows bent, take your head as down as possible, give a deep stretch to your hamstrings. चलिए बढ़े नीचे, knees straight. हाँ खुशबू जी, लेके जाओ सिर को जितना नीचे ले जा सकते हो. नमिता जी, there is a deep hunch. 1, knee straight. 2, 3, hold your ankles, सीमा जी. 4, 5, धारा जी पैरों का गैप बहुत कम है. 6, 7, 8, ओलिविया पैरों का गैप बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ा लिया है. 9 and 10. Inhale, come up. Now lengthen your spine, turning your right toe to the right side, placing your right palm down, upper hand extended and hold. Look up, open your chest. Right side, everyone.
1 2 3
ऊपर वाला हाथ कान से लगा के खींचना है नीता जी, रश्मि जी.
4
कान कहाँ है आपके? कान से लगा के खींचिए. यस.
5, 6,
नी स्ट्रेट, नी
7,
स्ट्रेट.
8, 9,
बहुत बढ़िया दिव्यानी जी.
10.
Inhale, head up. Exhale, turning your pelvic to the right. यहाँ पर we'll be doing the extended pyramid. Okay. So this was our त्रिकोणासन. यहाँ से हमने pelvic को turn किया और ये हमारी position है. ठीक है. So in pyramid, normally we touch our head or chin to our chin to our shin. Now we are going for extension. So stretch your arms. जैसे ही हाथ आगे खींचेंगे यहाँ का stretch intense होने वाला है. Okay. So hold it there this way. चलो start counting.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Inhale, head up, bend your front knee. ठीक है जी. तो यहां से अर्धचंद्र नमस्कार में आने में बहुत स्ट्रगल नहीं होता है. वी आर हियर इन अ डीप फॉरवर्ड बेंड. आगे वाला नी बेंड करो. belly and thigh will be already locked. Taking your palms little back. पहले नी को ड्रॉप करो. इफ यू फील दैट योर बॉडी नीड्स मोर स्ट्रेच, हल्का सा पीछे खींचिए एंड स्ट्रेच योर आर्म्स अप. चलिए एवरीवन, कमिंग इनटू अर्धचंद्र नमस्कार.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Now from here we'll be taking lizard. मैं इस साइड से शो करती हूँ so you'll understand the practice. So everybody's right leg is front. We were in our अर्धचंद्र नमस्कार. Now while going down, आराम से इस पैर को बाहर निकाल लो. ठीक है. So right foot is outside the right palm and both our palms at the center. And we are in lizard. अभी if you are a beginner, you can hold your lizard in a basic position. This is for the very beginners. ठीक है जी. This is variation 1. Now those who are good, pressing your front knee with the same hand, look back. This is variation 2. ठीक है. Variation 3, which is the intense, resting on your forearm. ये नी को खुद की स्ट्रेंथ से प्रेस करो और पीछे वाले लेग को भी फोल्ड करो. Okay, this is last variation 3. So you can go with any of these 3. चलिए, take your position. If you are a beginner, palms are down. Keep pushing your pelvic down and look front and hold your basic lizard. If you want to go with the second one, आगे वाले घुटने को हाथ से दबाओ, ट्विस्ट बढ़ाओ, पीछे वाले कंधे को देखो. अगर आप बहुत अच्छे हैं अपनी हिप्स के हैमस्ट्रिंग के साथ, then rest your forearms down. Keep pushing your knee on its own strength and back leg fold. चलिए, hold it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Slowly release, leg down, back on your palms. Now from here, open your pelvic front side, coming into Skandasana. अभी Skandasana में we'll be taking again the same side stretch which we have taken in Malasana. So thigh, tricep को thigh के आगे लाएं, रखें, stretch your arm up and hold. चलो, hold everyone. The stretch which we have done in Malasana. ओलिविया अभी से लेफ्ट लेग पे कैसे पहुंच गए? अभी सभी राइट साइड हैं. हिना जी, पैर, हाथ पैर के आगे आना चाहिए.
1, 2.
पनीता जी, ऊपर वाला हाथ ऊपर लेके जाओ, कान की तरफ, फोल्डेड लेग की तरफ.
4, 5, 6.
इनहेल, बैक टू सेंटर. चलिए जी, palms down and we'll be doing 10 counts of Cossack squats. So switching from right to left, left to right. You all can keep palm support और सभी palm के support के साथ ही करें. चलिए, continue.
1, 2, 3,
चलते रहो दीदी.
4,
स्मिता जी, palm का support रखो.
5.
समिता दुबे, keep up palm support. You can even hold
Six.
block. जिनको block चाहिए कि palm भी बहुत नीचे है, वो block पकड़ के करिए.
7, 8.
चलिए, गुड पायल जी.
9, 10,
एंड चलिए जी सभी एवरीवन टू दी लेफ्ट साइड. अभी सभी लेफ्ट पहुंच जाए एंड होल्डिंग स्कन विद द सेम साइड स्ट्रेच. ट्राइसेप in front of the knee. निधि जी पीछे नहीं आगे. चलिए होल्ड इट.
1, 2, 3, 4,
प्रवीण जी सीधा पैर स्ट्रेट.
5, 6,
Slowly release, turning your pelvic to the side. First we'll be taking the lizard variation. So सभी ने लेफ्ट फुट रखना है लेफ्ट पाम के साइड में. पहले लिजर्ड का वेरिएशन लेंगे. एज अ बिगनर palms resting. As a intermediate, pressing your knee with your same hand. As a final and the extreme one, resting on your forearms, back leg fold. Keep pushing your knee on its own strength. 1. Mr. Ram, hips down, hips are too high.
3,
Lengthen your spine and take your back knee little more back.
5,
हाँ अलका जी हिप्स आपके भी ऊपर है. सीमा कुलकर्णी हिप्स आर अप.
7, 8,
सामने देखें. गुड उमा
9,
जी.
10,
Inhale back to center, taking your foot at the center, arch back. Ardha Chandra Namaskar. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Exhale, palms down, both knees straight. Now extend your arm, extended pyramid everyone. हाथों को आगे खींचें. Take your body, lengthen your spine. Give a deep stretch to your hamstring. घुटने सीधे. रूपाश्री पीछे का heel भी नीचे. Back heel down, both knees straight.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Inhale, turning to your right side. Stretch your right arm up. Extend your upper arm, holding your Trikonasana.
1,
मनीषा जी आगे वाला पैर देखो, बेंड है. यामिनी फ्रंट नी इज स्टिल बेंड. स्ट्रेट इट. नमिता सावंत ऊपर वाला हाथ खींचो कान से. विवेक जी ऊपर वाला हाथ कान से खींचा हुआ है.
7,
यस एक्सटेंशन दीजिए स्पाइन को. साइड एक्सटेंशन डीप. नी स्ट्रेट. रश्मि जी फ्रंट नी स्ट्रेट.
9,
Inhale, come up. Back to goddess. Chali, final goddess. We'll be holding on the toes. So everyone lift your heels up. Keep locking your ankle. 1, on your toes, heels up. 2, heels up. 3, 4, 5, and 6. Exhale, coming back to the right side. Right stretch. Left stretch. Final Tadasana stretch to relax your heels. Slowly release and relax. चलिए जी आ जाए अभी सभी. We have done अर्धभुनमन आसन. ठीक है. जब हम इतना कर सकते हैं एक पैर फोल्ड के साथ और तब यही ये दूसरा पैर भी खुल जाएगा. And we'll do the same practice. It is your पूर्ण भुनमन. Okay, so this is going to be the final position. अभी बहुत अच्छा काम हुआ है आपके हैमस्ट्रिंग पर, आपके हिप्स पर, आपकी इनर थाइस पर. एवरीथिंग इज स्ट्रॉन्ग इनफ. सो विल बी टेकिंग दी फाइनल आसना नाउ. चलिए आ जाए अभी सभी. नाउ देयर आर फ्यू वेरिएशन. इफ यू आर अ बिगनर, always walk with your hands. While walking, the spine should be always arched. It should not be hunched. ये position के साथ कोई walk नहीं करेगा. Okay? So it is always shoulders roll back, chest out. Okay? And spine straight, hip back. Keep pushing your hip back side so your spine can get the maximum lengthening, and when you go down you can feel that stretch in your complete spine. Okay, so it's a spinal flexion. आपका pelvic interior tilt करता है. इतना नहीं जाना है डिटेल में. हमको सिर्फ इतना समझना है. We do the cat and cow, hunch and arch, so we have to go down always with that arch. ठीक है. कैट एंड काउ में हंच और आर्च करते हैं ना, तो उसी आर्च के साथ हमें नीचे जाना है. सो ऑल दोज हु आर बिगनर, start walking. While walking, see the position. Shoulders are back, chest is out. Walk, 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 walk. Suppose this is my limit for today. Okay? यही बने रहे. Again push. See, I'm pushing myself front and then look front and hold it here. क्लियर? यहाँ कंफर्टेबल हो, जो इतना पहुंच गए दे आर कंफर्टेबल, दे विल बी रेस्टिंग ऑन देयर फोर आर्म्स। फिर हमने अपने फोर आर्म्स पर रेस्ट कर लेना है और बस होल्ड करो यहीं पे। ऑल दोज हु आर गुड कि यहाँ पर भी मैं कंफर्टेबल हूँ, वॉक विद योर एल्बोज। एंड फाइनली जो एल्बो के साथ वॉक कर लिए तो समझ लो उनका चेस्ट टच, एंड देन दे कैन स्ट्रेच देयर हैंड्स, होल्ड योर एंकल्स एंड स्टे देयर। ओके, चलो, take your position, stay according to your comfort. We'll be holding for 10. Inhale, shoulders roll back, chest out, and start walking with your fingertips. Fingertips पे चलेंगे सभी. Toes inside stretch, पैरों के पंजे अंदर खींच के रखिए. Always look up, look up. Keep your neck extended, chin parallel to floor. Bhunaman is a hip opener as well as a deep forward bending asana. चलो, बहुत बढ़िया। खुशबू जी, अभी वॉल आ गई है, अटक गए हो, पीछे हो जाओ, थोड़े से पहुंच जाओगे, काफी अच्छे से जा रहे हो। गुड ओलिविया, लुक फ्रंट, लुक फ्रंट। पायल जी, फोर आर्म्स पे आ गए तो धीरे धीरे अभी एल्बो से वॉक करो।
1
विभा जी, पैर तभी
2
पकड़ेंगे जब चेस्ट टच हो गया हो, शोल्डर टच हो गया हो। नमिता जी, बढ़ो, थोड़ा थोड़ा वॉक करो एल्बो से।
3
वृशाली, लुक फ्रंट, लुक फ्रंट।
4 5
शोल्डर टच।
6
दिव्यानी जी, शोल्डर टच।
7
गुड गाइस।
8 9 10
लास्ट 5।
11
चैतन्य जी, पैर के पंजे अंदर खींच के
12
रखें। निकिता देखो, घुटने उठ रहे हैं, पैर के पंजे अंदर खींचो।
13
मनीषा जी, पहुंचो।
14 15 16
भवानी जी, लास्ट। चलिए चलिए।
17 18 19 20
Slowly release and relax. For the counter, folding your legs in the wide legged reverse tabletop. So shoulders roll back, chest up, lift your hips up and relax. 1, 2,
3 4 5 6
slowly release and relax. Stretching your legs front, shake, shake, shake.
1 2 3 4 5
Viper
6
movements in and out
1
to relax your knee joints.
2 3 4 5
Release and relax. चलिए जी, sit in a comfortable position. Back and spine straight. To relax your complete body from head to toes with all your three important chakras. The chakra of energy, the solar plexus, chakras of your happiness and the gratitude, the anahat, and the chakra of your awareness and focus, the agya chakra. Three sounded omkar, palms in prayer position. Akar from your navel, ukar from your heart, makar from your agya chakra. Inhale. Feel the vibrations of all the three sounds around your physical energies, your mental energies, and your emotional energies, and find yourself with better balance, better awareness, better strength, and better happiness. After today's practice, prayer to heal the universe. ॐ सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामया, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. Peace to your mind, peace to your soul. Rub both your palms gently. Place it on your eyes. Blink your eyes inside your palms. Once again, nice energetic palming. Now relax your complete body from head to toes with lots of love, kindness, and gratitude. Relax, relax, relax. Open your eyes with a beautiful smile again. Thank you so much, everyone. Okay, जी. So feeling is stronger? है पैरों में ताकत? चलिए, anything regarding today's session? 1 or 2 queries maximum.